All right, welcome back. In this video, we're going to build out the contact page. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to follow the similar steps that we've done in the other videos, and we're going to copy from the About page. We're going to Control A, Control C to copy. And then we're going to hit Control N to open a new file, Control S to save, and we're going to type in contact.html. Hit Enter, Control V to paste in the code, Control S to save to make sure that we have it saved, and then we're going to start from the top and edit our way down. So we're going to do contact. We're going to move over the class active from about to contact. We're going to change the name of the title of the page to contact, and then do contact our business. And then let's open in the browser, take a look. And so you see we're on the contact.html page. We have a contact for the title. We're going to get rid of this image here. So let's do that right now. Okay. And let's open in the browser. Okay, and then we're going to delete just the P tag here. So hit delete. Open in the browser. There you go. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to build out a form. So let me look here. All right, so let's go into our code here. And what I want to do is let's actually delete this entire section. Because we don't need this, we're going to add a form to the page, and so we don't need section and all that. We're just going to do form. Okay, so let's tab in, and we're going to comment this out. Start of contact form. Okay, and then we're going to type in form, hit enter, return 3 times, go to line 41, and we're going to type in label, full name, colon. Save that. Right above this, we're going to type in, we'll comment this out, label, full name. That way we know what it is, and we're going to highlight both lines, return twice, paste that, and we're going to do phone number. So we'll change it here first in the comments. Then we'll copy it, and we'll paste it in here. And then we're going to do that again for email address. So we're going to do email, address, okay, and then email address. So let's do it there. All right, now let's highlight that, return twice, and we're going to do message, label message, okay, and we're going to do message for the label as well. All right, now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the top under label full name and return twice, and we're going to comment this out first, full name input. And then we're going to do an input tag. So we're going to type in input type equals text. And that should be it. Let's take a look at this. Let's right click and open in the browser. And there you go. We have full name. That looks good. So we're going to Alt Tab will take you back if you just like that. Excuse me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this. I'm going to copy it. I'm going to return twice after phone number, paste it in, and we're going to do phone number input. So we'll just paste it in there. And I believe it's, yep, it should be the same. So let's right click, open in the browser. And so we have full name, phone number. We're going to do the same with email address. And then we're going to change it for, let's go to email address, return twice. So we're going to do email address input. Okay. Open in the browser, so we got full name, phone number, email address. And if we go back for the final, for this one, it's actually going to be a different type. So let's return twice after message. And what we're going to do is we're going to type in message input. And we're going to do input type. Actually, we're not going to do input type. We're going to delete input. We're going to do text area. So let's do text area rows equal 10. Columns equal 100. And we'll close it with that. Okay, so now let's right click and open this in the browser. And now we have full name, phone number, email address, message. Okay, so let's go back. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually, we're going to do a break in between each one. So after full name input, let's do a break. Let's right click, open in the browser, and now you see full name is right here. So what I'm going to do, and remember to save every time. Okay, so we're going to copy the break. So let's highlight it, Control C to copy, and we're going to go below phone number input. We're going to return twice, Control V, and then Control S. We're going to go below email input, Control V, Control S, and let's right click and open in the browser. And now it looks more like a contact form. Okay, now the only thing we're missing here is a button. So what we're going to do is we're going to add a break below the message input, and then we're going to return twice, and we're going to comment this out, submit button. Okay, and then we're going to type in button type equals submit, and that's it. And then we're going to type in send message and close that button tag. And then we're going to right click, and there you go. So we have our contact form. So we got contact, full name, phone number, email address, message, and send message. Now, it's not going to go anywhere, and that's okay. So in the next video, what we're going to do is we're going to style the entire website. So you see here how we have all these pages, and the text is all over the place, and the logo is not showing up, no problem. We're going to fix all that in the next video. So I'll see you there.